Hi, you guys back to check another healthy dish? Let's go on with it. Welcome back to the Purple Box. Good to see you all here. Today we will be doing chana dal with ash gourd. Well, it's chola dal with chalkumro in Bengali. Doesn't matter if you don't get chalkumro or ash gourd, you can do the same with lau, lauki or bottle gourd, whatever you call it. It's a very simple dish. I'll tell you the ingredients now, but don't bother, I'll give you a list at the end. Let's start. Soak chana dal overnight. I soak it on a sieve placed on a bowl. It helps me to change the water if required. Ash gourd or chalkumro, I will take a portion of it, not the whole. 1 big onion cut into very thin slices. Cumin seeds or gota jeera. Hing or asafoetida 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon dhania powder. 1 tablespoon jeera powder. 1 tablespoon haldi powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, chopped coriander leaves, salt and sugar to taste, some ghee, chopped tomatoes which are de-skinned. Now how to do that? It's very easy. I'll show you the process. Mark a cross with the knife on the lower side of the tomato. Give a shallow cut. Then put the tomatoes in a bowl of water and in the microwave oven, run it for 2 minutes. Then take the tomatoes out on a plate and pull the skin. See, it comes out very easily. Oops, it's very hot, but it comes out best when it's hot. This helps in making the tomato gravy smooth. Then chop the tomato pieces. In between, cut the ash gourd into 1-inch pieces and boil them. They should be half cooked, soft but not fully cooked. This consistency is important. Take 4 tablespoons of oil on a pan and heat it. I have taken sunflower oil, then place the juliennes of onion in it and occasionally stirring it. Let it fry. Put the flame low and let them fry and turn brown. Keep stirring them in between or else they'll burn. After done, take it out and leave it aside. This is called bereshta. On the same oil, put the jeera and fry it for half a minute. And add the tomato pieces. Sprinkle some salt and then cook them for some time. In between, run the spatula to reposition the tomatoes. After 2 to 3 minutes, when the tomatoes have gone softer, add the haldi powder and the jeera powder. Then goes the dhania powder and the red chili powder. And mix everything together on a low flame and let the masalas cook with the tomato for some time. Add some water so that the gravy becomes smooth and the masalas don't burn. After around 5 minutes, add the hing when you find the gravy has become a soft paste, and then mix it into the gravy. Around 3 minutes after that, add the soaked dal, the chana dal, and mix the dal with the gravy. Let it cook for some time. Cook the dal on the pan for around 5 to 7 minutes. In between, add the salt and then let the chola dal get cooked. Now you'll find that the chana dal is getting stuck on the floor of the pan. This is the indication that we have to go to the next step. Pour around half liter of water into the dal and let it go to a boil. When the dal is boiling for around 5 minutes, add the chalkumro or the ash gourd which we had boiled previously. Push them into the dal with the ladle and then again wait for the whole thing to come to a boil. After 2-3 minutes, when it's boiling, it's ready to go to the pressure cooker. Transfer the whole thing to a pressure cooker and cook it for some time, say 3 to 4 whistles in the pressure cooker. Leave it in the pressure cooker for some time and then back to the pan again for the chopped coriander leaves to be mixed. And finally goes the bereshta and the ghee. Doesn't it look picture perfect? It tastes also so yummy. Isn't it very easy to cook? Mix everything once again. Yes, it's ready. Yoo-hoo! Where are the parathas? Yes, it goes best with paratha. As promised earlier, this is a list of the ingredients. You can take a screenshot for further reference. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe to our channel, The Purple Box. In the comment section, discuss anything you want to discuss with me. See you again in the next video. Till then, enjoy your chola dal with chal kumro or chana dal with ash gourd. Bye.